Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Hyper or Josh. It is July 15th, and this is my trade review for the day. So going into market open, um I seen that we had this crazy bearish SMT that wasn't really delivering. We had new week opening gap on ES that still has not been fully filled yet. I don't think it got fully filled. So new week opening gap did get fully filled right as market opened. So market opened, ES was going up, NQ was kind of just doing fuck all, just chopping. But ES came up, took new week opening gap, filled it completely. Wix, everything filled it. And then we have bearish SMT with that. Bearish SMT filled new week opening gap. Had this crazy bearish SMT over here. So now that ES did its objective, filled the new week opening gap, I want to see us go lower now. I want to see us move down. We have PPI low, news low right here. That left literally like 3 relatively equal lows. So this was my main draw for the day. I wanted to see this get hit. PPI opened up, pushed up, never stopped any of these people out. No SMT here, no nothing. Like this is a real good prominent draw. And then we also just have a couple Wix lower, Asia low lower. So that's why I wanted to see get taken. So let me move this over here. If I even can. Alright. So market opens, ES starts going up, takes the high, and then it's right here. We put in this bullish SMT with this gap right here. And that candle is this candle right here. So bullish SMT, it delivers us for one candle higher, displaces higher, completely disrespects that bullish SMT. So like, all right, that's kind of weird. If we're really bullish, like that's what should have made us go higher right there. ES still hasn't taken its objective. I don't want to long this right here because ES's draw is like right here. So I'm not gonna take something when ES's high is literally 1 point away. So ES takes the high on this candle. So we bullish SMT, crazy reaction out of it, and then we completely disrespect that bullish reaction. So after I seen that complete disrespect, this fat ass bearish displacement candle down, I'm thinking, all right, yeah, we don't want to go higher. Like if we were gonna go higher, it should have pushed us higher right there. Complete disrespect. We want lower down to these lows down here. So then this rebalance candle right here was the candle that ended up taking new week opening gap high. So I seen this disrespect. This is now a rebalance candle to this candle. ES just took objective. Next candle opens up bullish, creating the top wick, and all of a sudden it flips and just starts full displacing lower. Throw your trade on as the candle's displacing. Stop above the rebalance / displacement above rebalance. And then I had good conviction in the trade, so I held it down to the news lows. If you would have just taken your 36 points, your 1-to-1, that's fine. But I knew that this was the draw that we wanted. Very obvious draw, just sticks out like a fucking sore thumb, dude. Like 3 relatively equal lows, this shit's getting taken. And that is my trade of the day. If you missed this one, this was another trade you could have taken. We come down here, we edge this low. We edge this low right here by literally 3 points. So we're practically reversing off nothing with these invited buyers right here. We're just reversing off this little 1 minute low right here. Like we're not gonna full reverse off this. We want to take this low, tap into this hour gap down here. So we get a little bullish reaction, inviting buyers in. All these people have to get stopped out. And as this candle just starts full displacing, take that shit down to the draw, maybe get a little bit more. But yeah, that was the other trade you could have taken today. Both those trades. Just read the candles, read where the 99% of people are longing. Everyone's seen this open right here and wanted to long this shit. But you also have to wait when we take a real objective. We put crazy draw on liquidity. We tap into an unfilled fair value gap. We fill a new week opening gap. You need to wait for the reaction. You have to wait for the reaction and then take your trade. Take it us having a positive reaction, or wait for the reaction and then disrespect of that reaction. It's all based on narrative. But yeah, that was my trade of the day. I'll be back tomorrow going over the trade I take tomorrow.